Let's learn how you can fix lag in Brawl Stars. By the way, I'm not recording in-game because there is no option that can mainly change lag. So there are two types of lag. One is low ping and high ping, sorry, and second one is low FPS. High ping is caused by low internet connection and slow internet connection, so unstable internet, and low FPS is caused by, for example, using old and bad phone, and unoptimized phone. So how you can fix it? For ping, you want to check your internet connection first. So let us go to Wi-Fi settings. Now, if here says no internet, that means that you're not connected. So you should try and restart your router. Now you can just enable this low data mode that will focus on just playing Brawl Stars while you're in game. Now you can go to your browser and go to, for example, some speed test and check your internet connection if it's good enough and stable. For low ping, you can go to settings, go to background app refresh, and just turn everything off. So it will again focus on your game. Now what you can do, for example, if you're using Xiaomi device, there is an option that's called Game Center. So you can boost your performance and FPS. On Xiaomi devices, you can literally clear RAM usage and memory usage on phone. On iOS devices, there is also game mode that is optimized for games. I don't know about Samsung devices, but I think there is also similar application and option for them. So there is nothing much you can do. What you can also do, for example, is to go to applications like this and just close everything. That will clear a bit of memory usage and boost only a bit your game. So that's it. Thanks for watching and